Hello, my name is Ryan Clavette and I am a sales engineer here at HighByte. Today we are going to look at installing HighByte Intelligence Hub on Windows 10. This video assumes that you've already visited the HighByte website, accepted the EULA, and downloaded the HighByte Intelligence package. Let's start by extracting that package. I have my installation file downloaded to this HB installation folder created on the C drive, and I'm just going to extract all. This package includes the HighByte Intelligence Hub user guide and the runtime and configuration components. We're going to start by installing the runtime component first. To do this, we need to ensure we have a Java runtime environment of version 11 or greater. I'm going to install JDK 17. Java JDK 17 can be downloaded from jdk.java.net/17. You're going to want to ensure you select the correct build for your current operating system. For this example, I am running on Windows 10 64-bit version. I have Java JDK already downloaded, so let's start by extracting the package. While that's extracting, I'm going to hop over to my C drive, program files, and create a new Java folder. Navigating back to my HP installation folder, I'm going to view the extracted files. I'm going to copy the JDK folder to my newly created Java folder in program files. We now need to tell the operating system where the Java binary files can be located. We can do this by editing our system environment variables. We'll need to add an entry to the path system variables by going to Path, Edit, and then browse to our Java JDK bin directory. Hit OK here. Now the operating system should know where Java is located. A quick test is just to pull up a command line or PowerShell and type in java -- version. As we can see, it is recognizing OpenJDK 17 as being on the system. We can now close all windows associated with the Java installation. Our next step is to determine where we would like the Intelligence Hub code to live. In this case, I'm going to take this package and just drop it into a HighByte folder I've already created and use this as my source location for the HighByte Intelligence Hub. Let's navigate into our runtime directory. To start the runtime directory, we're going to double-click start-windows.bat. We can now see that the runtime service is configured and running on port 45,245. In prior versions, our next step would be to deploy the configuration component to a web server. This would typically involve enabling the web server feature within Windows. However, as of version 2.2 and greater, we have a self-contained web server within the Intelligence Hub code. So at this point, we are all set to access the environment. I'm going to open my Google Chrome and access localhost with proper port. I'm going to hit login here. We are now in the Intelligence Hub. As you can see, the administrator account does not have a password set upon first deployment. To set that, you can go to Admin, Users, Administrator, and input your password here. We have now completed the initial setup of the HighByte Intelligence Hub. For further configuration help, please consult the user guide. For more information on HighByte's Intelligence Hub, please contact us. This is Ryan Clavette. Thank you for watching.